This is YFM-122YICA, the auto invisible U-top stop machine by computer control for number 3 invisible zipper. Now we are going to test this machine and teach you how to operate this machine. First of all, please make sure the air pressure is around 5 kilo. Once the air pressure is okay, and please switch on the machine's main power, and please switch on the machine's panel's power, and please put the zipper into the machine according to this direction. This is the bottom stop side, this is the top stop side, okay? And please put the zipper into the machine according to this direction. And please push the stick and then open the cover, and please put the zipper into the machine. And please switch on the transmission wheel. Okay, close the cover. Close the cover. And you have to check the zipper can go through like this smoothly or not. It's very important. And then lock this cover. And please close the wheel. Okay? And please clean up the wire for two sides. Take out the wire, okay, and then you can press the screen, and please press the stop button, and please press the feeding one cycle. You will make wire feeding, and please make sure the wire is in the mode or not, okay? You need to make sure the wire is in the mode. Now the wire is in the mode, everything is ready, and you can set up how many pieces you want to produce. For example, 30 pieces, and then you can press the start. But before you press the start, that is very important, is you have to pull the cylinder to the back side. Okay, this is very important. Pull the cylinder. If the cylinder is the front side, the machine will not be working. It must be pull the cylinder, and you can press the start. The machine will be auto running. Okay, we finished the order, and please press the reset button to finish the order. And you can see the manual operation, all the machines action, the manual operation, you can see the one cycle action. Okay, you can see from here. So if you work with this, and you can make the one piece of a zipper. Okay, and manual operation too also has some feeding action. Okay, we go back to the main screen. If machine has any problem, the alarm review will show you where's the problem and what time happened. Okay, and there's a setting. The cool pin delay time we set up the 2.2. Air blowing time we set up the 3.0. And the welding delay time we set up 0.2. And welding time we set up 2.5. The welding time you can adjust according to the result. The cooling time is after welding. We set up the 5.0. And you can see the password. The password 8008, enter. And you can see there's a speed setting. The high speed is 100, the slow speed is 40. Normally, if you want to adjust speed, only adjust the high speed. The slow speed, please do not change. Okay? Protection, welding, hand on. This one is checking the slider. Normally, this sensor must be on, and you will check the slider. It's protection for the horn. Okay? If the slider is not passing here, the machine will not be welding. If you want to switch off, you can switch off. This is a protection for the slider. And the low level setting, the product length, we set up the 1000 centimeter. Okay? And the reversal length 1, this is the tension control. When it's pulling the tape, it's controlling the tension. Okay? Cannot be too loose or too tight. So it's controlling the tension. And the reversal length 2 is controlling the top stop position. Okay, this is the digital setting. Normally they are relative. Okay, if you change the reversal length 1 and the reversal length 2, you also need to adjust. And this machine has 2 sensors. Okay, according to the different slider puller, you can have a different choice. Now we use the up sensor. The up sensor is here. Okay, and you also can choose the down sensor. Because this is an invisible zipper, we suggest use the up sensor, so we use the up sensor. Okay, so you can press the switch to control which sensor to work. We go back to the main screen, and there are some issues you have to know. This is the screw to control the top stop position. Okay, this is the screw to control the top stop position. And this cylinder is controlling the position of the teeth. Okay? The position of the teeth. Normally it should be stopped around this position. Okay? The teeth should be stopped around this position. And this is very important for the sensor, for the feeding. Normally, if there's a wire, the wire here, the wire is in the machine, the sensor lights must be off. Must be off, okay? If you make it on, the machine cannot be working. It must be off. This sensor is control the feeding. And the ultrasonic control box. You can adjust the amplitude and also the welding time. You can press set. So now we use the amplitude is 60%. If you want to increase, you can switch the button, increase or decrease. And this is the maximum welding time. If you press one more time set, you can adjust this one, this switch, and you can make it higher or lower. Okay, and you can press and it will going down. Once you must make confirm. And every time when you change the horn, you have to press the frequency scan. And it will be like between the 14.7 to 14.95. Okay, it's correct. If it's more than 15, its horn has a problem. And you can press the sonic test to check every time the sonic is how much. Okay, This is the sonic test. Bob Messel is teaching you how to operate this machine, and we finish machinery testing.